Ako si Krishna Ada Mejia, 39, Quality Assurance and Systems Manager. I started working here during the pandemic when everything was still uncertain. But si Lorenzana opened its doors and gave me this opportunity. So I was able to provide for my family, and at the same time, yung knowledge ko, I was able to impart also to the employees kung ano ba yung kahalagahan ng quality and food safety. Hindi lamang para sa consumers, pero para sa ating lahat. There is a certain sense of pride and fulfillment kapag nalalaman mo na yung mga produkto nyo ay tinatangkilik. Nagiging parte ka ng tradisyon ng mga pamilyang Pilipino na nagkakaroon ng Lorraine sa hapag nila.